What's up, guys? On this one here, we got a gas test to do. There's a leak inside the house. They wouldn't turn on the gas meter, so they locked it up. This line here is 1.25 inches, so what I'm gonna do is cap this and then go inside and turn off all the valves. That way we can pressurize it, put a gauge on it, and see what's going on. Alright, so I got my 1.25 inch cap. Now I'm gonna go back inside and turn off the valves and put a gauge somewhere. So we'll take a look when we get there. Alright, so here we got a gauge. It's a high pressure gauge. I'm gonna pressurize the lines there. Here's our valve. So since we're gonna start there, we wanna open this and then we'll close off the rest. Alright, so we're gonna come out to our appliances, shut everything off, take a quick look, make sure nothing's damaged. This second furnace, off. All right, so I got the compressor going into the gauge there. Walking around, seeing if I hear anything. Our main gas line comes in there, continues over for this unit, and then the main line runs over that way. So I'm gonna go over there, see what I see. All right, y'all. So this is where we're at. I started off here. This is what I was just showing you. What I did is I followed the main. It goes back there about 40 feet. So I didn't take my phone or anything. I left it behind. So I ended up going all the way to the back and then to the right. And then I ended up in the other attic space. And let me show y'all what I found. All right, y'all. So this is the second story. There's the attic up there. We're gonna be there for just a little bit. It's just so hot, and today I'm not feeling that great. I've been sick for the past days, but you know, we gotta get over it and just keep going. So with this gas test, a couple things to keep in mind. We saw how our pressure gauge was not going up, or should I say the pressure in our gauge. So based on that, we knew that there was a very big leak somewhere. From experience, what I've seen on big leaks, you can usually hear it. So here we're in the attic again, and I was walking around inspecting everything. I was trying to listen in, and this is what we came to. I don't know if you can hear it, so I'll mix this up. That's how I do my soap. Pretty much is on this side here. Just way too much, man. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap out this pipe and that 90, and we should be good. All right, y'all, so this is what we found. I tried to unscrew it and the thread's just broke inside. Check that out. You see? So the thread's broke inside. So what most likely happened here is somebody just pulled on it and it broke. So this here is a 3/4 to half. So I'm gonna use a 3/4 to half black 90. That's for gas. I'll swap it out and replace this. Good thing it doesn't feel that hot today. It's probably at least 90 or something. Probably 93. But it's still kind of early. But all right, y'all. So this is pretty much it. What I did, replace a 90. This pipe, I needed to extend that a bit. That way there wasn't any tension on the supply line. And I just got to add some boards just right under the gas line to support it. But that's it. All right, y'all. So we fixed the problem. What I did is I repressurized the lines, and the gauge is now holding. So now to finalize, I just got to put this back. And that's it for this gas leak.